Okadi rifoye moya. Personally, I feel the highest affirmation you can do, me now go for, is to know more, for more to come with you. Kagina more yellow and came along more. The first time I went to water, that was all I could ask. I mean, my brother, Ijele, whom I went with, told me other things to say, right? But when it came to my turn to talk to my mom by myself, that was all I said. That I want to know you guys. Nam alone. I want to know you guys, like Achom Kai, they relate. I got immediate confirmation, and a few later I received Holy Ezumezu from a mom who told me she was heading to Onuiyi, but was going to drop me off at the marketplace. Yeah, Mazina. One Obim when madu, ko Obim ego. And Obim when more, ko Obim when madu. This is the simplest communication you can do in Ego more. Ask more to let you know them. Check my pin post. Thanks for streaming Holy Ezumezu. Yeah, guys.